In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Citymapper app on Android. Citymapper is a popular travel companion that helps you move around cities with confidence. By the end of this guide, you'll have the app installed and ready to go on your Android phone or tablet, so you can check real-time bus and train times, compare routes for walking, biking, scooters, taxis, and public transit, and follow turn-by-turn directions with helpful service alerts. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi for the quickest download, and that your device has a bit of battery and storage space available. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar. Type Citymapper carefully to get the right result. You'll see a list of apps appear. Look for the official listing labeled Citymapper by Citymapper. Choosing the correct one ensures you get the trusted app with the latest updates and security. Tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. You'll see a progress bar while this happens. The timing depends on your connection speed, so give it a moment. If you're using mobile data, keep an eye on your signal strength to avoid interruptions. Once the installation finishes, tap Open. Citymapper will launch immediately. On first launch, it may ask for permissions like location. Allowing location access helps the app show accurate nearby stops, real-time departures, and faster routing, which is especially useful when you're on the move in a new area. From here, you can start exploring. Citymapper helps you navigate public transportation with clear directions, live departure boards, and alerts for delays or service changes. If you're deciding how to get somewhere, the app compares multiple ways to travel: walking, cycling, scooters, taxis, and classic transit, so you can pick what's fastest, cheapest, or most convenient. Turn-by-turn transit directions make it easy to know when to leave, which line to take, and where to transfer, reducing the stress of commuting in a busy city. Citymapper supports many major cities around the world and has been trusted by millions, with over 10 million downloads on Android. That broad coverage makes it a reliable choice whether you're commuting daily, planning a trip, or navigating a city you've never visited. If you ever need to find Citymapper again, look for the green icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. And to keep the app running smoothly, let the Play Store handle updates automatically so you always have the latest features and improvements. That's it. Your download is complete and you're ready to explore with Citymapper.